Alright guys, welcome to the show. Today I'll be working on some tent stakes. So it'll be a fairly simple video, essentially just a spike with a heavy scroll on top, but should still be pretty interesting and be demonstrating a bit of forging, so let's get to it. So we're going to start with 3/8 inch stock cut to about 20 inches, so that'll give us enough for our scroll. These will be fairly long stakes just because they're actually custom project someone ordered, so quite a bit longer than the ones I usually make. So we'll go ahead and start here. So that's done there. Pretty basic design, very simple, very quick. So I'll just do a bit of rounding on the sides just to take down those sharp corners there, and then we can actually start making our scroll. So, we'll use the horn of the anvil here as our horn to bend the scroll around it. We'll start that bend. So the top scroll is finished, so the piece is a little long now, so I'm just going to cut it to size. So after I cut it, I will forge out the point for it so it actually goes in the ground. Just see what. Pro tip, always take that thing out. Always take out your cutting tool. So that way, if you're doing regular forging, you don't misstep and cut your fingers off. Ah! Pro tip. Pro tip. usually when I'd probably twist it or something, but that wasn't on the order. And it's a 10 steak, so you don't want to get dirt stuck in a twist or something like that. So that's actually done. I'll actually be painting these rather than the beeswax coating I usually do, just because they'll be you know, heavy use outdoors, so you want to really prevent any sort of rusting from happening. Yep, that's done. So I'll make 4 more of them, get them painted, and then I'll show you how they work. Like you don't know how 10 steaks work. Steaks. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more builds like this.